All right, round 3, East River Flats, here we are. I'm gonna walk under the bridge here. Yeah, that trail went a little farther. Kind of hill down here. So you get down into here, you can kind of tell how the water was really high down here. Higher than dry ass, as they say, right? Kind of walk down into here. How low the water is now. It was way, way up a while ago. But it's been all or nothing. We had a whole shitload of floods here down in Mankato. Some houses went in, and we just talked about it in the first video. People out there in Nashville, North Carolina. Carp Beggar's got a video on his channel. Go back and look at his. He's in that area. The ass whipping they got, it's Mother Nature makes the last call, this behavior. But you can kind of tell. And you go up and over to there. I don't know how far I can get on the trail. If I can, I don't know. I can see a path over there, but I think that's a lower path. To get up in there would kind of be difficult to walk across. We can try, see what happens. We'll check it out. Like Mom always said, you don't know unless you go, right? We went to the apple orchard. Yeah, underwhelming, but we went. Only way you're gonna know is you gotta go, right? So, walk our way across this bad boy. If you don't have good ankles or a body, you're not walking across that bad boy. There we go. Little hiking adventure, right, guys? Some feeble old man like myself. Oh yeah, it's right back to the trail. Cool. All right. What the hell is this? Kind of come down here and yeah, you have a cool little fire there. Come on down here. Smoke your geef. Have a little fire. A tree. I don't see any money yet. Do you guys? Nope. But if it was a perfect day to come on down here, get it done. Oh, let's get over this thing. Oh, Jesus. Oh. There it is. So that was the way I came from. That bad boy. It's not the lakes. It's I can't remember what it's called. The street it connects to. I think it's a Franklin Avenue Bridge. That's what the Franklin Avenue Bridge. That's what that thing is. So. Up there you can tell a lot of tagging. Heck yeah. I guarantee it, this would flood over when they had floods. That's a lot of work up there, man. Holy balls. That's a great place. I do see a lot of people that are down here jogging all the time. They come on down here and hang out. So come on down here and find a place, smoke your geef, drink some beer, just clean up after yourself. That's all I'm ever saying, It's like if you want to mine for gold, that's fine. Clean up after yourself. Drill, baby, drill, right? Don't understand that. Make sure you do it correctly so you don't destroy stuff. That's all I'm asking. So. Now there's that stairs I'm gonna walk up right there. Where did I see what I was down here last time with Sue Ellen. Shall we walk up? Shall we? We'll walk on down. This goes all the way up to Franklin. Oh yeah. So you can come off the bridge. Nothing the same. Everything is scared good. Yep. Long ways up. Then you got to come down as well. Huh. You can hear music up here. Oh, I wonder if that's the race going on. Whew. Going on blue shirt. Oh my goodness. Oh, there. Well, that's too bad. I could go all the way up, but we got music going up there. So, you guys kind of hear it. So they're doing their hike and whatever else they're doing. Yeah, they're jogging. Yep. Yeah, that's where they're right now. It's the Medtronic one over here. As you can kind of tell over here. See, they're jogging. So we ran around to there. You can tell. All right. So yeah, they're jogging. We're gonna head on back down, take some pictures. I don't think the sound will get copyright strike. I doubt it. Shouldn't. I mean, I really can't hear it, but we'll head on down. I mean, it doesn't stop a strike. What they do is they take any small profit I have. So, anyways, we'll head on back down to the trail. Kind of a cool place. So, anyways. Solid steel. This sucker ain't going anywhere. Kind of a cool stairway. But anyways, kind of come down here and sit. You can walk up that way. Go down here. Look at that bad boy. One hell of a long ways down. But anyways, we're gonna take some pictures, head on back down the trail. We'll see we'll go from here, okay? Alrighty. We'll guys see the next one. A little shorter than usual, but I want to take some pictures of it. So, see you next one.